This next video that we're doing shows the Everlast Supercut 50. This is a MOSFET unit. It's a very reliable MOSFET unit actually. We're quite happy with it. It's perfect size, perfect application for the weekend fabricator, the hobbyist. A nice little unit. It doesn't perform the way the Power Plasma 50, the IGBT unit performs. I'll be perfectly honest about that, but all in all, it's a very nice little unit, well worth the money, that's for sure. The power switch is on the rear of the unit, as is the regulator and the air dryer. We do have the gauge in the front so you can see what exactly pressure we're running. We have the amperage control right here with the readout. We have a test gas feature here. This is for the air supply, just to make sure everything's running the way it should be. And this is basically a plug and play. Now we have our power on, we have our overload here, which you can see is not on. That's if we run it too hard, too heavy, and overheat it. The thermal overload will kick on and shut it down for us. The torch we use with this is a 60 amp rated torch. Again, it's not the same as the Power Plasma 50 with the Traffic style, but all in all, these are a fairly durable torch. They're quite simple to use. I'm not crazy about the zip ties, but basically with this class of machine, normally this is what you find. Now, what we're going to do today is we're going to cut a 1/4 inch piece of metal and a 1/2 inch piece of metal. Here in Canada at least, my biggest question is, well, I'll never go any more than 1/2 inch. And well, let's just see what it does on 1/2 inch and 1/4 inch. So we're just going to swing the camera over to our work area. And this is what we're going to be cutting. So without any more blabbering, we'll just get started. I've got the ground on here, put myself over here. We're just going to cut a little piece off this edge here. Hopefully the camera angle and everything will show it up, and away we go. Oh, let's see. We're at 39 amps, that's good enough. And there we go. There's the 1/4 inch cut. What we're going to do for the 1/2 inch is we're actually kicking up the amperage on it. And the nice thing about it too is, of course, you don't get the heat retention that you normally get when cutting with cutting torches or anything like that. Here's the 1/2 inch. It's going to take a little bit longer. Again, it's not the cleanest piece, but it's not that bad. The HF will cut through paint and all that sort of stuff. I'm going to put it over here. Hopefully the angle is being picked up by the camera, and we're just going to take this little, take a little chunk off. Taking the 1/2 inch off. We're just going to move this out of the way a little bit. There's the kerf on the end. Ooh, big hammer. But as you can see, hopefully, there's our 1/2 inch cut. We've got a little piece of tin here. Why don't we just take a little touch off there. Again, I'm going to drop the amperage down. I'm not really playing with the air pressure, which I should really be dropping it right down. But we're just going to do this. Again, just to show on the thin stuff. So there you have it. This is the Everlast Supercut 50 plasma cutter MOSFET unit. Very, very popular in Quebec and Saskatchewan as far as Canada goes. We seem to do a lot of selling of them to those provinces, and they're a nice little unit. Thank you.